we have to use the law of sines again. Only 36% of you guys got this correct, and that's understandable because this one requires that you get the previous one correct for the most part, unless you're guessing. And so let's look at our triangle again. Sorry, it's a little hard to see. We have triangle ABC. Remember, this is little b, this is little a, this is little c over here. But we also know from the previous problem that angle A is about 21.7 degrees. This is an estimation, but we'll stick with it. 21.7 degrees. Boom. So then if we know angle B is 100 degrees and angle A is 21.7 degrees, can we calculate angle C? Well, sure. We can just do 180 minus 100 minus 21.7 gives me 58.3. So we'll say that angle C is 58.3 degrees. And we get that because of the triangle sum theorem, right? It's a little better. Okay, now we need to find the length of side C, otherwise known as AB. And again, we're going to use the law of sines. So in this case, we know we're going to need this angle and this side. So we could do the sine of 58.3 over side C is equal to, and here we can do any option we want. We could do the sine of angle A over side A, or we could do the sine of angle B over side B. And I'm going to use the sine of angle B because it's, again, just accurate, more accurate. So in this case, the sine of 100 over 8. Again, we have a number over a variable equals a number over a number. Well, hey, that looks familiar. Didn't we just do that for problem number 8? Yeah, we did. We did cross multiplied and then divided both sides by this thing. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to cross multiply. C times the sine of 100 equals 8 times the sine of 58.3. So C times the sine of 100 equals 8 times the sine of 58.3. Okay, and then again, we're solving for C, so we need to divide both sides by the sine of 100. C is equal to 8 times the sine of 58.3 divided by the sine of 100. Well, Mr. Calculator can do that. 8 times the sine of 58.3. Take that, divide it by the sine of 100. And we got 6.91, which rounds down to 6.9. Cool.